lecturer in commerce. I'm going to teach class 11-12 accountancy. Today, I'm going to teach Unit 1, Introduction to Partnership of Class 12 Accountancy. This unit has 4 sections. In the first section, that is section A, I'll explain some certain terms like partners, firm, partnership, and partnership deed. I will explain first what is partners. Partner is a person who has entered agreement with others to carry on business. Haibdi business amada hana lairamba mi singna yanaba magi makhada changlakliba mi adubu haibdi person adubu partners haina kawi. Next, firm. What is firm? Firm or partnership firm is the business entity which has been created by the partners. Partner mayam punsillaga punna semba natraga apunba business adubo firm kawi. Then next, let me explain the meaning of partnership. What is partnership? According to Section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, partnership is the relation between persons who have agreed to share the profit of the business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Haibadi yam samna hairabada firm aduda lairiba partner singdugi relation amadi mari adubo partnership kawi dubo tauriba business adugi profit adu yanaba mawongda yenagadabni. Then next, let me comes to the pieces of partnership. Pieces of partnership ki first point association of 2 or more person means partnership haibasi mi ani natraga ani degi henbana punsillaga business carry tawba ngamba aduga profit or loss share du laibani. Partnership amada magi minimum partners si ani oigani aduga maximum partners na 50 oigani. Then second point agreement. Agreement haibadi karino haiba matamda partnership firms comes into existence by an agreement. Haibadi yanaba amagi matungina partnership asi leiraklibani aduga hairiba yanaba asi haibadi agreement asi it may be written oibai, it may be oral oibai adubu koigi Indian Partnership Act 1932 gi matungina agreement asi aiba oigadobani. Then next point carrying on a business. Partnership asi continuous process haibadi lepa naidaba adum satharaga laiba oigadobani. Then fourth point, profit motive and sharing of profit. Haibadi profit and loss partnership firm da profit natraga loss tarako matamda partners da equally share tawgadabani aduga profit motive su oigadabani. Then fifth features of partnerships the business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Hairiba ashina business asi partner punna tawminaba natraga partners singdugi ayabagi matungina partner amana farm dugi mahut sillaga business adu chalaiba yai. 5 features of partnership. Next, let me explain the meaning of partnership deed. So, partnership, what is partnership deed? Partnership deed is a written agreement containing term and condition agreed by the partners. Partnership deed haibasi document amani aduga document asida partnership agreement ki akaknaba term and condition adu yaugani. Next, partnership deed usually contains the following items. Some of the items are: first item, name, nature and place of the business. Haibadi partnership deed haibadi koina agreement haibani partnership si business start tawdringai mamangda koina agreement ama inabadubu partnership deed ni haikre adu ibtardi partnership deed sida agreement sida yaugadaba first point to di koina name, nature and place of the business. Haibadi tawgodaba business to gi mong mataw. Then second, name and address of the all partners. Haibadi partners tawmina business tawmina gadaba partners singdugi name and address yaugani. Then duration of the partnership. Duration haibadi akaknaba matam haibadi akoina tenure of the partnership. Then next, amount of capital contributed. Partnership did sida akoina partners singna puthokodaba capital contribution dusu akoina partnership did sida hapchingani. Aduga next, the profit sharing ratio amongst the partner. Profit sharing ratio partners da yenagadaba profit sharing ratio si percentage asuk yenagani haibasi akoina already agreements da iraga thamgani. Then rate of interest on capital if it is allowed. Karigumba partners na interest on capital ki percentage si some percentage ohensi hapsi hairabadi akoina hana partnership data hapchelaga thamhogani. Then next, interest on drawing. Interest on drawing karigumba interest on drawing sisu if it is to be charged. Interest on drawing si partnership firm da charge taushi hairabadi akoina hana agreement da percentage si iraga thamamgani. Then next, the rate of interest on partners loan to the firm. Partners na farm degi loan lawa matamda interest kya oigedage haibasisu kona hana yanabagi matungina agreement sida percentage su iraga thamhogani. Aduga next, rules applicable for accounting treatment on admission, retirement, death, etc. of partners. Haibadi akoina partnership firm business ama starting tawraba matungda magi treatment mayam se kramaina tawbidage haibadu hana information se koin agreement ta iraga thamamgani karamba matamgi mi ama changakpa matamda at the time of admission, at the time of retirement, at the time of death sigi ahum sigi treatment tawa matamda akoina magi sharuk chumaina yenbigani haibadugi yanabadu akoina agreement ta ihauraga thamawgani. Then last point, settlement of account on dissolution of a firm. Akoina dissolution haibadi kaino haiga close down. Akoina farm si partnership farm si start tawbadagina at the end lochilakpa bauta tawgadaba magi rules agi yanabagi matungina agreement inagadaba pot sing tu akoina partnership deed ta yaugani. Now let me come to the second section, that is section B. In this section B, I am going to explain provision of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 affecting accounts in the absence of partnership deed. Aina hauzik partnership deed agreement ta changadaba yaugadaba contents ma'am items ma'am do hauzik high kare explain tawre, but hauzik ti Indian Partnership Act 1932 na if karigumba partnership start tawba matamda partners singsina agreement ina hogdaba matamda adi moigi agreement si thamhogdaba matamda already akoigi Partnership Act 1932 sina moida provision khara thamme haibadi rules khara thamme sigi rules se satnagadabani even if the partnership deed is absent in the partnership firm haidana adu oiba taragadi madugi rules mayam dudi these are the rules or provision of the Partnership Act 1932 in the absence of partnership deed. First point, first rules the karino have matamda profit and losses are to be shared equally irrespective of their capital contribution. Partnership khuding magna habdi partnership ama business ama start tawa matamda even if agreement ta deed ta moigi profit sharing ratio se ina hauda bataragasu akoina already Indian Partnership Act 1932 na provide tawase profit and losses share si partners khuding magta equally share tawgani aduga makoina puthora iba capital contribution du yengdabida. Aduga second point ta no interest to be charged on drawing. Partnership run tawa matamda partners amana drawing lauthokiba laiba matamda akoina compulsory akoigi absence of partnership deed oiba taragadi interest on drawing se charge tawroi. Then third point ta no interest on capital shall be allowed to the partner. Aduga partners singna mokoina capital invest tawriba moigi thamiba amount sing dugi interest oina charge tawra oi maramdi kaigino koina partnership deed ta agreement ta ina hauda taragadi compulsory somda provision gi matungina interest on capital partners na lawa yade. Then next, no partners is entitled to any salary or commission for taking part in running the business. Haibadi partners singsina business run tawre start tawre partnership starting tawra matungda akoina magi salary any remuneration commission orasu अदुगी मयाम दु अकोइगी प्रोविजन पीबा मतमददी प्रोविजन दा मुखोइगी सैलरी सु कमीशन सु लौबा यादे. Then next, the interest rate of 6% per annum is to be allowed on a partner's loan to the firm. If akoina partnership agreement sida kamta inahawdaba taragasu provision da yawrise akoina karigumba partner sina farm dagi loan lawba taragadi compulsory farm da partner sina 6% interest rate asi pibam thoi. हाइबदी पार्टनर्स द लोन लो मतमदा कंपल्सरी रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट सी 6% पीगनी फार्म दा. अदुगा नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ता each partner can participate in the conduct of business. हाइबदी पार्टनरशिप सिदा यावरिबा पार्टनर्स खुदिंग मकना तौरिबा बिजनेस तुदा सरुक याबगी अयाबदु लई हाइबदी राइट अदु मुखोइदा लोइनमक लई पार्टनर खुदिंग मकता. Then the last point, without the consent of all existing partners, no new partners can be admitted to the firm. हाइबदी लेरमलिबा पार्टनर सिंगदुगी अयाबा याउदना अनौबा पार्टनर्स अमा फार्म दा चंगकपगी यावहनबगी अयाबसी लैते. So these are the provision हाइबदी सिगी provision मयांगसिनी Indian Partnership Act 1932 ना partnership deed की in the absence of partnership deed ता provide तौरिबा provision सिंगदुनी सिगी provision सिंग से यामना मरु ओय. So let me wind up here for today. See you in the next class.